guys, come on in. Today I'm going to be cooking some hot dogs and beans on my wood stove. First things first, I need to start a fire on the wood stove to cook my beans and to be warm. What I always like to start my fires with is with some birch bark. There's a tree right here that has some of the dry, flaky stuff. We're just going to take some of the little dead stuff off. I got all my birch bark. Now I'm just going to take apart this branch for next up after the birch bark. Get it into one big bundle and then put it on top of the birch bark. That should light good. Oh. What do you think I should build?
I think you should build a garage.
Why?
Just because?
Yeah. Okay. I got my really little stuff. Put that on the birch bark. Set it in here. And then this is the next step up after it. And then it just keeps going up bigger and bigger and bigger. Got my matches in my birch bark sandwich. Are you serious? This box stinks. Whoa! The box kind of stinks. It's all frayed. Ready? Okay. Gonna let it burn off for a couple seconds so it's getting really smoky in here. Open the window. Let that sit for, oh, gotta open this. That sit for a minute. Some of my bigger stuff. Put some more sticks on. So, got my beans, bush beans, my can opener, some forks, and hot dogs. I'm gonna mix the hot dogs and beans together in this pan. That should taste good. Pour it into the bowls. Mix it up a little bit. Then I'll have a lunch. First lunch on the wood stove in the tiny home. My fire's going good.
Yay!
My fire's going good.
Finally! Yay!
Yep. So my fire's going good. I decided to start cutting up my hot dogs. I have no idea how to do this. Winging it. Got my handy dandy knife. Bubby went and got the ketchup. Hot dogs are frozen. Ice on the hot dog. It's so weird. It will cook a lot easier and faster if I cut up the hot dog first. Opening my beans. My bush beans. I hope that stuff isn't mold.
It's not.
Doesn't smell like it. Okay. Beans! 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 That's a lot of food. That's a lot of food. Like a lot. It's bacon! I'm gonna give the rest of the bean sauce to the chicken. Chicken. Beans. 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 I'll just leave that there for them. I hope that, wait, did they get cut? Get the beans. Put my beans on the fire. Bubby is now the cook. He's stirring up the beans and hot dogs. Starting to steam. It's getting pretty warm in here too. Kitty! And then the chickens and the chicks. The chicken, the bear butt. Don't worry though, the cat can't get into the chicken run. The gate's open! Oh crud. Oh, what are you doing? Why are you going in the coop? What the heck? Oh, what are you doing? Don't kill the chicks. No, no, no. Okay, good. Bye, Cole. Chicken scared him off. Yeah? Call this one Bilbo right here. It has feathers on its feet. Just like Bilbo, but Bilbo had hair on his feet. The beans and dogs are ready. Ready? Watch some beans and dogs. That's heavy. Do that with one hand. How is it, Maddie?
Hot.
It's hot?
Hot.
Oh, it's hot?
Yep. Very hot, but it's good.
Bubby's pretty much a ketchup addict. So, he puts ketchup in everything, including this. So my hot dogs and beans, they're pretty good. Not the best thing I've ever tasted, though.
This is the best thing I ever tasted.
What? Chicken butt. Oh! Bubby's going for seconds. Drop some beans. Maddie, what? You want more?
Yes.
Okay. Finish that first.
But don't take all of it.
Dog. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure before you head out that you like this video and bad dog. Bad dog. Do you hear that dog? He's so annoying. I'm trying to talk and he keeps barking. Hey guys, thank you so much for Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure before you head out that you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Remember how I told you that in the next tiny home video, I'd be putting a video out about how I made my tiny home? Well, just kidding. I won't be able to get to it because I wanted to put this video out first. And also because my editing app I use keeps deleting all my progress on my 10-minute video. So that's been annoying. So, sorry about that, but thank you for watching. See you in the next video.